Hello everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through space settings. To get started, click on Settings in the sidebar. Then click on Space Settings. You can upload a custom space icon by clicking Upload Photo. Once your image is uploaded, a window will appear allowing you to resize it as needed. After you're finished, simply click Update to save your new space icon. To remove the space icon, just click the Delete button. You can rename your space and modify the space theme to match your preferences. You can also assign a time zone to each space, as every space has its own designated time zone. This is great for quick reference because when you hover over a task deadline or event timestamp, a helpful tooltip will appear showing you the time in both your time zone and the space's time zone. Next, let's explore the danger zone. Proceed with caution when making changes in this section. Transfer ownership lets you hand over space ownership to another user. Use it carefully, as this action is permanent and cannot be reversed. To transfer ownership of your space to another user, click on Transfer Ownership to open a modal. In the modal, select the user you want to make the new owner of this space, and then click Transfer. Once the ownership is successfully transferred, your role will automatically change to an admin in the same space. To archive a space, simply click on the Archive button. A confirmation modal will appear, and you'll need to click Archive again to confirm the action. You can find your archived spaces by opening the Space Switcher dropdown and selecting the Archive. To unarchive a space, go to its space settings and click Unarchive. Next, let's cover deleting a space. You should proceed with caution here, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. To delete the space, click on the Delete Space button. A confirmation modal will appear, and you'll need to click Delete Space one more time to confirm. Once you do, the space will be permanently removed. If you change your mind and don't want to proceed, simply click Cancel to skip the action. Thanks for watching.